Catherine Palmer, is to find a corner and sit this one out. Sit this one out, because you are not going to win. You went on my platform when I was going back and forth with these two female agitators, right? You referred to me as iron mouth. Yes, the correct term is wire teeth. I am wearing braces. You class Elian, Gemrock's wife. You class Gemrock. You class Daddy Gargan. You class Young T. Over something that has nothing to do with your Yankee derriere. And now, you're going to make a video tagging Jamaican reactors because you think they're going to come to your rescue when you are the one that interfered in our business? You think that they're going to go take on Colaz on your behalf? If delusion was a person, your image would be right up there. Right up there. All I can say, Catherine Palmer, otherwise known as MissCatMiami. Oh boy, you are going to wish you had stayed away from us. Stayed away from us. It is just starting. As for you threatening to report me to YouTube for putting out your information, honey, you were the right one that referred to me as, what is it? Miss Researcher and Chief. You came at me. You came at me. Not the other way around. So, threatening to report me to YouTube, I am not scared. I am not living off YouTube money. I absolutely want YouTube money. But I'm not living off YouTube money. So go ahead. Do your best, Catherine. Do your best. You do not scare me with your bright self. Let me go work out. Aye, sir. You know, Jamaicans have a saying. Them say, since I cannot use the K word, I will use the word unalive. But Jamaicans have a saying, say when planting want unalive, they shoot. That is you, Catherine Palmer, otherwise known as MissCatMiami. Stay tuned, honey. You want to be famous? We're gonna give it to you. Bye for now. Heading to the gym.